Char and Shiki Hey, Jimmy Records. The girl them love how you spin the record.
Wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hey y'all, I look a mess, sorry guys.
But we're working. Let me give you guys these lashes from July. From July, I'm coming here, my birthday lashes.
Yeah.
Girl, you work.
September.
You work. When you work, you work. When you work,
I'd be shocking myself.
you work, girl. Anyways, child, I'll see you after. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm officially back on YouTube. I know, hip hip hooray. I took a break because I don't know, like life just happened and I thought let me just deal with my life. And also I was doing an apprenticeship, which if you've been following me, you know I currently study improvement practitioner at level 4, and the hope is to have a degree at the end of it. So I'm happy to tell you guys that I've officially completed it now, and I'm actually on my way to celebrate. I'm going to Jamaica, and I also have a lot more stuff to do and a lot more to catch you guys up on. So we'll do that over the course of the day, or probably the course of the next few days. But for now, I'm actually on my way to the shop. I'm quickly gonna head down to Primark and to go into H&M because I need to quickly get some last minute bits. I've actually started packing. I've been packing, but I don't want to show you guys the state of the place because it's not fit for purpose. It's not fit for sight. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. But if it's your first time here, hi, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Bye. Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Guys, we're shopping for Sasha. I'm just come show no what go on. I'm just in the eyebrow shop. I just got my eyebrows waxed. I just reshaped it and then I'm gonna get it tinted. Dreams, 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 dreams. Come a long way now today. Dreams, they come a long way now today. Dreams, guys, the rain is pouring. I just finished getting my eyebrows waxed. I'm in my favorite nail shop. Let me show you guys. I wanna go home, I'll wipe it off.
Well, I told you if you need your help, and I'll do it.
I'm getting a pedicure and I'm gonna get removal. I'm probably shellac again because I'm only going for 2 weeks. So I'm honestly not bothered this trip. Like when I get there, I get there. I'm mostly just going there to do business. So it is what it is.
Nice to be nice.
Alright,
that's cool. I'll do that then. Alright, bye.
Girl, hey man. I need to put you guys on, but I don't know what to put you guys on. I'm resting here.
Got her, yeah?
No, I don't want to drop her now.
Who is? Yeah, a little bit. Don't get excited though, because I don't like to wear. I like it. So it's like, just imagine, the oldest son, he's shut up.
Yes, please. Short and square. Can I do square?
Yeah, here, yeah.
Yeah.
In a podcast.
Is that showing up?
Yeah.
Thank you.
other people coming to yesterday celebrate your.
Oh, we went out. We went out. We didn't. Ooh. Be this nice, because you know what, the sea online shows so much paler.
Good quality.
This is sturdy. No, Derka, you deserve it. Well done.
Well done. Keep yourself, not just pay bills.
You mad? I'm gonna work so hard for a reason. For me drop down tomorrow. You mad? If I drop down, we'll look at memories. Alright. May I go back, go buy the next one? May I go buy the next one?
Oh, you bought it?
The next
It looks
one.
like it's Gucci.
Girl. May I go buy the next one? I got to.
I'll do that.
You feel so good to me. Every time I come back, I try to leave. So how you end up back with me? Oh, this ain't what I want. This is something else. Something that ain't good for my health. And I've been searching, but I can't get no help. And I don't feel like myself. That's why I always think I'm blue for real. This time I'll be blue for real. After this time I'll be blue for real. I'll be doing shit I really shouldn't do for me. That's why I always think I'm blue for real. So this time I'll be blue for real. After this time I'll be blue for real. I can feel them walls closing. I can feel it.
Guys, I'm looking for a gift for a friend, so I'm just in the section. This is strong.
I'm stuck in your claws. Try to run, but I don't get far. I'ma put some blame on me. Tryna take accountability, but you take all my ability. You're the devil.
Guys, I keep seeing this burr set everywhere I go, so I just thought that I would give it a go and see if it's actually what they have. This one is from Benefis. It's my first time using it ever. I don't know if I'm doing it right, I don't see no change. Okay. Okay, slip brows, don't play with it. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I can. see if I can get some sample foundations. I want to try Lancome. I want to try the Pat McGrath, and I want to try the Hourglass. It's alright. I don't know if I'm convinced to buy it. See, the eyebrows do stick in place though. Check out my basket and show you guys everything I have going on. I've even give you guys an outfit today. I'm just show you guys the selection. We got this new Japanese and sushi restaurant at Gifford. I did so much shopping. I'll do a proper unboxing when we go. I'll probably do a proper haul when we get to Jamaica. Oh goodness. I'm gonna show you guys the chef and stuff in a minute. But let me just try to make myself comfortable and leave. Look behind me, guys. Concept. I've been here before. I went to the one in Stratford. It's called the Yo, and the phone just come up and you just grab it as it comes. Let's get some. Where can I receive? I need to find somewhere to put you guys. I never know what to order.
Hey, one is for me, one is mine.
Give me water. Give
What's in this?
The other one?
25. 22.
good.
25.
So good.
When you are sick, you buy that.
So 155 and 1 orange juice.
The market is nothing there. I was looking convenient last night. I was off.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. Have a
Cheers.
lovely day.
Guys, I'm gonna go board now. I didn't put sugar in my outfit. 1 second. Let me sugar. I'm wearing it. I got this set from H&M. But I'll catch you guys soon. Let's go. I completely forgot to say that my mom bought a house. I'm just looking for some champagne to give her. I think I'm gonna go to Gold. Yeah, this is right up our alley. This is giving Celebron. Let's celebrate. Let's have a great time. Two hours in, we got 10 more to go. We're going to the Bahamas first and then we go to Jamaica. I don't think I told you guys that. I'm just putting on my fluffy socks just so I can have with me a little nap. Just making myself extra comfortable. Where them left now, innit?
Yeah, and apparently he's giving her a hard time.
Why? I don't understand why she had to take a hard time from him when she's so young and pretty. I have it all going on. This is some women just miss self-esteem. Sure, one of them.
I know, but sometimes it's self-esteem.
But I mean, good on her for getting her papers and everything. Like, it's brave, innit? To just up and move with a man. Like, it could have been crazy. I don't think I have that strength. You ain't got no family nearby. Suppose the man had batter bruise you. You're dead. You're done for.
Well, they just never match anyway.
I feel like she did give him look a youth, me not lie. She did give him some youth. I feel like she did make him young and obviously him help her.
A very nice day in the Bahamas.
Just grabbing in Nassau.
It's in the afternoon. General weather pattern in
You want to say hi to the vlog?
Is over here.
Hey vlog.
Welcome. Yeah.
I can't believe it. Guys, I'm officially home. I've got so many bits, like so many bits. These are all like alcohol and stuff, so I'm gonna do a haul when we're like checked in at the villa. But let me try to find a taxi. Okay, thank you. We're just gonna try to find a taxi. My mom's on her way from Kingston, but she doesn't get here till like the next 3 hours or so. So I'm probably gonna go have a shower. I've been traveling for 12 hours. And then I don't know, I think it's time to get late, but I don't know how late I want to get. I think Shinsi is having a party tonight as well in St. Anne. That's like probably an hour from where we are now, so we probably go there tonight. And yeah, like I'm just taking it as it comes, guys. Like honestly, I have no itinerary. I'm just on vibes this weekend, and then the real business starts on Monday when we look at the property and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.